Magigoo is not just goo, it's the next-level 3D printing adhesion solution. Meet the new custom printing adhesives, developed specifically for engineering filaments for even the most demanding printing professionals. Magigoo improves the sticking and adhesive process with every filament available for polypropylene, for neat and carbon-filled polyamide 6, 66, and 12 filaments, for polycarbonate and carbon-filled polycarbonate, for glass fiber-filled polypropylene. Magigoo is simple to use. Shake well, apply, find the best settings for your printer, and let the goo do its magic. Sticks when hot and releases when cool. Get your Magigoo now!